Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, March the 2nd, 2022, we have here in this additional 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, the tectonic with 1 star, and a binary. And those puzzles I'm not interested. So only 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 3 of them I will solve. Half of them I will solve because it's too much for me, time consuming. I've already solved 3 regular Sudokus or puzzles, and now it's time for the 3-star Sudoku, the tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. But the first one will be a 3-star Sudoku number 4201. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25 printed digits. Always for 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 4 ones. Okay, we have here 1, 2, 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 4 fours. Okay, we have here 2 fives. We have here 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 2 nines. So the 1 and the 4s are in majority. Okay, let me start with the 1. 1 in this last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we see there 1 and 1 there, 1. It should be there. Okay. Alright. In this big square, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the first column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, 1 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1, it should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Can I count? Yes, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. How about the 4? 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Can I count? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Okay, now, let me see which number can I pick. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the third column. So no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. All right, 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in the second row, so no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 8. Need to wait. How about 9, 7. We have a 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row, so in the third row. The only place left for the 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 there. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8. So the 8 goes there. Alright. Now I can finish the 8. 8 in the first row. 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Okay. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. How about let me see. Yes. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. And a 2 is missing. Yes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 3 and a 6. And now. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. And a 7 is missing. So 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. Well, we see here 6 in this row, so no 6 in this box. Here 6 in that box, so no 6 in this box. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and the 7. 2 and a 7. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 7 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the first row for number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay. Alright. Then 1 number left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. Okay, 9, 9. Then 1, 2, 3, and 7. Okay. These 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Oh, wait. 1 number left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Okay. Then these 2 numbers in the middle row. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3 and the 4. No, 4. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in this box. So the 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 in the last column. 2 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and the 7. Can I? No. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Well, I've eliminated a 9. We already have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, so the 3 and the 7 should be here. So 1 digit left in this big square for numbers. For number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing here. 6, 6, 6. Yeah, now we have a 6 here. This box can be 6 and more. That box should be a 6. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, 2, the 3 is missing. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 7. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and a 7 is missing. 4 and a 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm analyzing those numbers for more than 4 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. Who knows? Just leave a comment. We have here 8, 4, 7, 8, 4, 7, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, and 4, 1, 7. 4, 1, 7. Here we have 1 pair, 2 pairs, the 4s and the 1s. The 4s and the 1s. Alright, thank you again for watching. See you later. with the other two puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.